Now, for those of you that have a Stream Deck, this is what you can do. So this is my Stream Deck. I've got the XL Stream Deck, and on this screen here, this is the profile that I have for this show, if you will. I've got this thing that says 13 live. That means of all the people that I follow, 13 people are live right now. And if I just click that, it shows me all the people that are live at this moment. So I get Long Live Gaming is live right now. With this, all I have to do, again, I'm not going to do it, but on my Stream Deck, I just have to hold down on one of these buttons and it just raids them. Now, if you have a Stream Deck, how do you go about doing this? I'm glad you asked. It's just a plugin, because the basic Twitch integration doesn't allow you to do that. I'm hoping that through time and enough pushback and feedback and I don't know what this is. What is this? Am I like a jellyfish? What's going on here? Some feedback and just suggestions that they will integrate rating into the official Twitch integration. But until then, we're going to use BarRaider. BarRaider is another free plugin for the Stream Deck. It's absolutely free. You do not need to do anything in regards to payment. You can donate if you want, but these are all the different plugins that he has for the Stream Deck. There's just so many plugins. I think I use at least 4 of them from him. And so the one that I'm talking about is literally called Twitch Tools. So to find Twitch Tools, you want to go to the Stream Deck store. I thought this was a keyboard for some reason. Obviously, it's not a keyboard. It's supposed to mimic what a Stream Deck looks like. I don't know why I thought it was a keyboard. Anyways, you go into the store and you can just type in the word Twitch, and Twitch Tools by BarRaider will automatically pop up and you're done. You've installed it. And then if you know how to drag and drop plugins for your Stream Deck, you just want to drag and drop the plugin that I use this for, and that is called Channel Monitor. And Channel Monitor effectively just shows you when your favorite streamers are now live, and it just makes my life so much easier when it comes time to rating people. So if you have a Stream Deck, I do highly recommend you look into utilizing that with your Stream Deck for Twitch.
Hi.